Hey guys, so today I'll be talking about the HALO Bassinet Sleeper. I truly do love this bassinet. It is the cheapest one out of all of them. I paid about $189, $190 for this bassinet on Amazon with the 2-day shipping. You can get it on Target, Walmart, Bye Bye Baby, literally anywhere. Just Google it, HALO Bassinet. But let's hop right to it. So on the left side of the bassinet, this is not a compartment. This is just to cover up the actual material and, whatever. And then on the other side, it does come with a pocket. It's just this. I don't really use it because I do have a caddy, but you can put a diaper or anything in there that you would like. Again, this is not a pocket as well. It's just to cover up the hard material. What I love the best about this bassinet is the fact that you can see your baby at night and just do this, period. You can use this handle to pull it towards you. And then when you reach over to grab your baby, this is very lightweight. You see that, guys? So when you reach over, you can just pull and grab the baby. That's my two favorite parts of this bassinet, the main reason that I wanted to get it. Also, everything that you see in here came with the bassinet, except for the binky. But it comes with the mattress pad cover. It's a nice material. She did pee through this, actually, when she was 1 week old. I washed it, and it did come out great. I don't even see it anymore. It also comes with the mattress pad that's inside of this. It is firm, but it's also soft at the same time. It's cushiony enough for your baby when they're in here. Now, again, this is the cheaper version, so it does not come with, the light, the vibration, the music. It doesn't come with any of that. I didn't feel the need for it. But yeah, this is pretty great. And also it does adjust based on the size of your bed. So as you can see, the glide, this is what it is. It glides very easily on carpet. I absolutely love that. And it's easy to push out your way when you need to get out the bed or anything like that. It is adjusted to my height of the bed. So what happens is you just pull it over and she's sleeping literally with you on the bed. And that's, oh, my feet. But that's what I love the most about this as well. So yeah, and then you just push it back. And to adjust the height of it, again, it goes towards any level of your bed. I do have a queen size bed, not too big in my opinion. Or the height isn't too high, so it's definitely based on your height of the bed, but it definitely accommodates everything. And just to get the sizing of it, you just push here and you pull this up or down at the same time. I can't do it with one hand at the moment, but it's very easy to adjust. Yeah, but that is my review of the HALO. Definitely worth every penny that I spent on this. Again, I got the cheapest. The babies are only in here for about 6-7 months, they say. So definitely worth keeping. I would say don't really look at the reviews when it comes to negative reviews. A lot of people, they say that their baby might tilt to one side or whatever the case is. My baby doesn't tilt at all in this. It's very sturdy. My husband put it together literally probably in about, give or take, 35 minutes, 35 to 40 minutes, only because the beginning instructions wasn't really clarified through writing. We did YouTube the actual assembly so he can physically see them put it together, and it's way easier. But again, my baby is very safe in here. She does not tilt. She is a side sleeper, as you can see. But yeah, she is a side sleeper. So whenever, I always want her to face me in bed. So she likes to lay on her left side, as you can see, which means she would be facing my wall, which I don't like. So I always keep her head down here so that way she can face me this way. And I can easily see her face when she's right there. But yeah, guys, definitely worth every penny. I think you should get it. So this is my baby sleeping in it now. As you can see, she's very content. The mattress is firm enough and it's not too hard for her to be comfortable on it. Yeah.